I'm going to do a brief tutorial on how to log in to Canvas and to submit an assignment through Canvas. So once you're at any web browser, you're going to type in husd.instructure.com. Once you're there, you're going to be met with this screen where you're going to be asked to type in your username, which is your same username, your first and last name, and then whatever your password is that you typically use for any of your Higley accounts. So you're going to go ahead and click log in. And at first you won't actually see what I see here simply because I need to go over to a student account. So ignore this part until you see this. So this is your student view once you log in. You're going to click on home or just simply know that that's where you've been dropped. So this gray box, larger gray box, is considered a module, and this smaller box is considered an assignment. You'll also see on the right hand side that there is a section where it's a to-do list and an assignment that includes the date the assignment is due and the time of cutoff. So you're going to click on book assignment, and within this there's some brief instructions including the character Instagram PowerPoint that I created for the template that also has the instructions on it for the actual assignment. So once you're here, you're going to click Submit Assignment. Now, let me just point out that this here does not actually mean what it says. I did not put points in Canvas for this assignment, but this assignment is worth points that will go towards your final grade. It just simply wasn't put in Canvas in that way. So just ignore that part. But you're going to click on Submit Assignment. And below, you're going to see that there are several items that you could use to submit the assignment. You can do an upload, where you would just simply choose the file from your computer files and then include it in here. You can also obviously include any comments that you might want to include here. You can do a text entry. So instead of using my PowerPoint, you could insert 5 separate images with 5 separate captions, along with 5 separate explanations and text evidence to support why you chose those images. There's the option for a website URL. Some of you have begun to share links with me to slides from Gmail and things of that nature, and that is something that you could do within this section. There's also a media button where you can submit any kind of media that you may have created for this. There's also the option to log into your Office 365 account and begin to include that here. So once you've done that, you're going to click Submit and you will be done with the assignment. I hope this has helped, but if you have any questions at all, you know that you can always email me or send me a brief message and just let me know that you're having some kind of questions or concerns.